Cleanup continues from that recent visit by an atmospheric river in Kern County. Some repair work actually requiring a professional. Joe Ducey with the Better Business Bureau has a couple of tips and reminders of things to ask or look for when you're hiring someone to do that job to make sure it's done right.
Recently, we've seen a big increase in consumers checking out contractors at BBB.org, maybe because of damage from serious storms or fires. I'm Joe Ducey with the Better Business Bureau, letting 23 ABC News viewers know, whatever the reason, there are 3 things you need to do to protect yourself when hiring a contractor. Are they licensed? Make sure they're a licensed contractor by checking California's Contractor State License Board website. Also check that the license is for the work you're having done and if there are any complaints or cases listed. Check out the business thoroughly. Look for reviews and complaints at BBB.org and online. Ask for a list of references and contact them. Get a detailed written estimate from 3 contractors before deciding. Detailed contracts are crucial. When hiring, make sure you get a contract with all costs, specifics on work being done, who obtains permits, and time frames. In California, contractors can't demand more than $1,000 or 10% up front. Pay the rest on progress. Save at least 10% until it's done. Pay with a credit card. Never pay in cash. You may get a better deal with an unlicensed contractor, but they may not have insurance, and you won't get protections from the state. Look for that BBB sign of a trusted, accredited business when hiring. More on hiring a contractor at turnto23.com, and I'll see you next time.